What is going on right now? Alright, well, good morning. Having some issues here with Thinkorswim right off the bat. Is anybody else having issues with Thinkorswim? Because mine isn't. My charts, they were fine in pre-market. Now all of a sudden, they are not wanting to work. I can see Invax has done went crazy, but I can't see it. What is going on right now? What's up, One Life? How's your Thinkorswim doing? Yeah, this is crazy. I'm telling you, everything was fine 5 minutes ago. And as soon as I started the stream, this started to happen. GMPX went on a crazy move. Maybe a stock split. I don't know. I can't see anything. What is going on? Oh, TS. Okay, so it's not just me. So Thinkorswim. There we go. Okay. This is scary when this happens. Oh boy, what is going on right now? There we go. Okay. You're in Vive. I've got Vive on my watch list. I don't know. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Ooh, yeah, Vive would have been a good one. Oh my God, come on. What's going on right now? Oh boy. Thinkorswim is acting real crazy this morning. Okay, so this is GMPX. Wow, is that right? GMPX and Vive look the same right now. Get out of here. So, I hope this gets straightened out soon. So GP. Ooh, Vibe taking a crash. Or having a little bit of a crash here. Let's see, we're at 136. Got resistance at $2. Okay. Alright. Alright, Thinkorswim. Messing with me real hard right now, Thinkorswim. Oh boy. This is not pretty today, guys. There we go. So I should get my order amounts ready. Ooh, so that would have been a good entry off the VWAP here on GMPX. Yeah, that would have been a really good entry. That kind of hurts my soul a little bit. So Vive, might look for Vive to U-shape. Back above the VWAP here, maybe. Hmm. $125 support. Okay. Just randomly changing my charts on me here. I just want to make sure that's not going to crash out. Let's see what's Invax doing. Okay, there we go. Now I can see Invax. Oh my God, what is going on, Thinkorswim? You gotta stop the nonsense. So there's kind of a lot going on right out the gate here. I don't know I'm not really feeling anything in particular quite yet, just because there's so much going on. And the fact Thinkorswim is acting like a crazy psychopath of a platform. Alright, there we go. Clicking back to Vibe again. Okay. Yeah, this charting, you're out in the green. Nice job. Oh my god, these issues with Thinkorswim is driving me crazy. Can't get it to stay on one chart. What is going on? Actually, what's going on with CBLI here? No. Oh man, this is hard to deal with right here. I can't get my charts to go where I want them to. There we go. I'm trying to look at CBLI. See what's going on with this. This is crazy. This is crazy the way this is doing. And GMPX still moving up here. Break a 150, you could see this keep going, but let's see if Vive is gonna. Yeah, I'm not even clicking anything now at all. I wasn't moving at all there. Actually, kind of like CBLI a little bit here. I don't have a lot of volume yet on CBLI. Come on. So CBLI with a little bit of U-shape, not much volume at all. Kind of curious if volume is going to come into this though. We might see this get pumped. I don't know. Look at Vive again. Vive still possible U-shape there. GMPX still slowly climbing to that 150 mark. Kind of got to. Come on. Killing me. I got a little bit of a trend line maybe here. Started on this play. A lot of selling at 145. Of course, there's going to be a lot of selling at 150 anyway. Yeah, I can see right there. Alright, okay. I Thinkorswim is just switching back and forth between stocks without me even clicking. This is incredible. So this is coming up to 150 right now. Question is it gonna break? I think it's possible, but I feel like it's a little bit sketchy to get in right here. Looks like it might try though. Oh, it did. It did pop right there. I really wanted to try to get in there, but that didn't work out. So kind of missed the entry there. Vive's making this little U shape here. Do I want to go on Vive? And this is a nice U shape so far on Vive. Got support at 125. I'm thinking about maybe getting in here on Vive. I want to see what this next two candles do. I'm actually going to go here on Vive, I think. I'm at 133, so a little high up. We got support at $1.25. But let's see if this can break the VWAP and get going. On this possible U shape here. We don't want it to drop back below 130 at this point. We want it to keep climbing up. A little bit of selling at 134. Let's see, get back up to the VWAP. That's not pretty. This has to come up. This candle needs to come up here to continue this U shape to the VWAP. If this candle does not come up and starts turning red, then this is probably not going to break right now. It's looking a little sketchy, the fact that it hasn't. Yeah, we're right at 130. 130 starting crack a little bit here. If it drops, drop below 130. So like I said, we got support at 125, so I'm willing to give this a chance as long as it stays above 125. But we really don't want it under 130 right now. We need it to keep coming up. This is a little sketchy. We needed this candle to go up, so that next candle would have been right at the VWAP. And now we're kind of coming back down here. I didn't quite get that pretty U shape like it looked like it was going to make. Maybe we'll get a little cup and handle. That's what I'm looking for now at this point. If this will be a handle. Still got some buyers at 130, so we want them to stay in there. Keep the support. But this is a little sketchy because I did buy before the even touch of the VWAP. Just trying to get in early, but oh, here we go. Alright, we might get going here. Let's see what happens. VWAP's at 136, so looks like we're going to break over here. Very nice. Very nice little quick pop. A lot of selling at 140. And it's getting hung up by the VWAP a little bit. Let's see if some more buying volume comes in here. There we go, a little bit over 136. And it's getting a little buying volume starting to come in. Still kind of getting hung up right here at the VWAP. We needed to get above the VWAP and hold. A little bit of selling here. Didn't like how that candle was a quick pop. Really needed it to stay above the VWAP. Did show a little strength by making that pop, but I mean, we're right back where we were at in this 130 area. Decent buyer there at 132, 20,000 shares. Maybe that'll hold this up here. But Vibe is having a little trouble getting going again. There we go. Come on. Come on up here. Man, bids up. Keeps dropping back and testing that support. Making me a little nervous at this point. Because we're not building up anymore. Like if this candles keep dropping, we're losing our buildup. We need this buildup all the way to the VWAP to get the break. And it's just kind of slowly struggling here, kind of putting along. But we don't want it to putt too long. We really needed to get back above the VWAP soon. Well, there's going to be a pretty good pullback. Come on. Still struggling to get up there. Here's that sell-off I was talking about. Testing that 130 support again. If 130 cracks, this is going to go back down to 125, maybe even the 200. This is not what I wanted to see. Thinking about maybe cutting out because we didn't quite get the move I was expecting. Nope, a big buyer came in at 131. Maybe that'll help hold it up. This stock is just not wanting to cooperate today. For some reason, there was a quick pop-up to the VWAP. Very quick. I didn't even see it on the bid. Or the ask, for that matter. I didn't see it go up to 136. That was a very, very quick pop. And we're basically in a fight right now of buyers and sellers. Sellers trying to hold this down and buyers trying to get it over the VWAP. It's looking real sketchy though. There we go. Bid's starting to move up a little bit here. And still, it's feeling heavy to me. It's feeling like there's a lot of selling pressure on this. Oh, there we go. All right, we need to get through this VWAP and get above it. We need, see, still can't. Every time it starts to go up to the VWAP, it drops right back down. That's why I keep saying it feels heavy. It feels like there's pressure. Like the VWAP is being some very strong resistance. But we are slowly climbing up here. So we want it to keep on slowly climbing. Some selling at 135. We're right back down to... Ooh, that support just got taken out at 132. That big seller. A lot of selling coming through here. Looking a little weak. Yeah, 130 cracked, so this is going back down to 125. Unless it can come back up over 130, but Like I was saying, that was feeling pretty heavy. Like I said, I'm willing to give it to 125 as far as support because it did hold up 125 back here. But if it cracks 125, I'm going to get out. It's just having such problems with the VWAP. That's like 1-2 touches. A lot of selling at 131. If they don't get taken out, this is going to hold this back pretty hard. A lot of selling at 131 right now. That makes it makes it a little bit trickier. GMPX halted on the way down. That's rough. Okay, so some of that selling at 131 got part of their orders taken out. We need the rest of that out of here. Is anybody in GMPX in that halt on the way down? How's everything doing? Is it anything ripping right now? Am I missing anything? Nice, David Hopper. Nice catch on GMPX. A lot of red, a lot of selling going on. This could be a good thing if this can continue to hold up in this 130, 136 area, kind of in this little channel, and get all this selling out. It could be a good thing. But it needs to hold up in these areas and start slowly getting back to the VWAP here. There we go. Bids back at 130. All that 131 selling is out of here, so that's good. So we're starting to move up again a little bit. Some more selling at 132. But yeah, we got a lot of selling out on this stock on this candle and then these two candles, and it still held up. So we're actually showing a little bit of strength that this can continue to get back up to the VWAP. But you want 130 to start holding up as support again. What is going on? Nothing on my level 2 is... Okay, there it goes. Scared me for a second. So yeah, let's see if this can keep climbing back up. Try to get it. I tell you, I did not expect to be in this play this long. But, I mean, as long as it stays in these areas and can get back up to the VWAP, I'm willing to give it a chance. Come on up. See if we can get the bid up to $1.33. A little bit of selling there. A little light on volume right now. We're going to be Going to be a little light on volume until we get above the VWAP. Once we break back above the VWAP, that's when the real volume is going to come in. If we can get there. Come on, I want to see that bid up to 133. There we go. Bids up to 133. So we might get moving here. We might get moving. A lot of selling at 135. We get through 135. I think we're good. I think we're on our way. Get out of here. There's a lot of selling at 135 right at the VWAP. So still struggling with the VWAP. I want this to drop down too low here. Need to come back up. It's looking real weak again. Because it couldn't break the VWAP. The Vive is playing with my emotions today. Yeah, this is Vive. Vive is definitely playing with my emotions today. It keeps coming back up to the VWAP. Really want this 130 support to hold up, though. A lot of consolidation so far on this stock. I mean, we've got a lot of selling out. There's still a lot of selling left at 135. We actually have a decent sized seller at 132, 11,000 shares. That 130 support starting to slowly get taken out. Really needed to get off of 130. Or it's going to take 130 out. A lot of selling again right here. And 130 is about to get taken out. And 130 cracked. So let's see if it rebounds back or not. A lot of red here. A lot of selling. A lot of red on the time and sales. A lot of red on the level 2. Yeah, another red candle. This has got to start coming up, or this is going. This might go back down to the 200. Needs to get back over 130 here very soon. Okay, there we go. Got a few buys at 130. Come on back up. And there we are at 125. Let's see. It looks like it bounced off 125. There's a lot of buyers at 125, but they're slowly getting taken out. Oof, and it cracked 125 here. And it might go all the way back down to 120. I just want to make sure that 125 isn't going to hold up, because it could have just did a quick dip. Let's see if it's going to pop right back up to 125. I have my finger on the sell button. I'm ready to jump out of this at any time. Just trying to give it just a few seconds here to see if it's going to get back above 125. I need to look at this on the 5-minute. So I'd really like it to get back above 125. Like right now. Okay. Come on back up. And we got a lot of support down here. Oh yeah, this 5-minute chart doesn't look good on this. Needed to break back here. It hit the VWAP 3 times on the 5-minute and could never get over it. A lot of buyers at 123, so that should be pretty strong support. It was about, what, 60,000 shares, maybe more at 123. And this might have to make a big U-shape back around. If 125 holds up. I may be in this play a little bit longer. That's I'm not, like, if 125 really starts cracking out, then I'll definitely get out of this, but it's really struggling. I might just have to get out and eat this loss because I don't know. A little bounce off the 200 here. So it looks like I might be in this play for a little longer because it's starting to slowly come back up again. But we got a lot of selling out in this area. And then back there in that area. A lot of sellers got out of this. So maybe another, let's see, was it 9:05? So maybe another 10-15 minutes here. We might get back up to the VWAP if this continues to slowly climb. Oop, that doesn't look good. Need the 125 support to hold up. Okay. Just look on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, this is all red. All red on the 15-minute chart. A lot of red on the 5-minute as well. Don't know. Maybe in a bad situation. And you see each candle keeps opening up a little bit higher. Oh, we're going to test the 125 support again. And 125 cracked. See, what's the lowest we went? 120. 121 is the lowest we went. It's looking real rough here. Big buyer just came in at 124, so that's a little bit of support. This can get back above 125 here. Just still a lot. There's just a lot of pressure on the stock, man. There's so much pressure. That's what I was saying back here. Like, it just didn't feel like it was getting enough buying volume. I don't know. I may have to get out of this. I'm not liking the way things are looking. Especially with volume dying off and everything else. And it keeps testing this 125 support. And 125 keeps getting weaker and weaker. A little bit of a pullback here. A lot of red coming through. Down to the 200. Or almost down to the 200. And I might be getting out here. If this doesn't come right back up. Kind of a little double bottom here. So maybe that'll be our bottom. Nah, I don't know. This is so much selling and so much pressure on the stock. I'm trying to give it a chance to start coming back up. It's got to get over 125 here soon. You definitely don't want to jump into any trade. Yeah, I might have to get out. If this keeps on dropping to this 122 area, it could crack below the 200 and I could take a really big loss. 125 was my safe support, and it's really looking bad. See, I'm really thinking about getting out here if this candle doesn't come up at all. Because it could drop out pretty hard if it cracks this 200-day moving average in 120. Okay, there we go. A little pop back up. Struggling. So much selling pressure on this stock. The selling pressure to get out of it and the buying pressure to come back in. Yeah, you can see we're like... It's not the prettiest thing ever. That's for sure. There we go. We're getting back above 125 now, maybe. A little bit of buying starting to come back in. Oh, nope. And then pressure again. Yeah, I know I'm 8% down. Um, like I said, but if this is the bottom support right here, then I'm good to hold. That's why I'm not, you know, worried. Like 8% is like the most, I don't want to risk. But if it starts, like if this is the bottom support and we got all of this selling out through all of this stupid consolidation, then we could see this move again. Like it might take a while. I definitely agree with that. But I don't want to get out right now when it's holding up these support levels. I mean, we have a lot of support. We have this 200. You can see the bottom of these candles, 122 and then 125. So there's a lot of support in here. As I just don't want none of that support to crack. But I don't want to get out just to get out if it's going to hold up this support and slowly climb back up. That's my dilemma. That's what I'm thinking really hard about. But we want to see 125 hold up as support now at this point. The stock is weak. That's what I keep saying. I feel like there's a lot of pressure on it. I'm waiting because the support keeps holding up. I'm waiting to see if this pressure is going to relieve off of this stock. And if we get the buying volume back in, because it's still not that far from the VWAP. I mean, we're only 9 cents away from the VWAP. So it's very, very possible it could get back to the VWAP. We're not that far away. But yeah, I just wanted to hold up these support areas. If these support areas hold up, 121, 122, 125, if they hold up, then I'm alright to hold this. So it may be a while. If everything keeps holding up, this may be a little bit of a long hold today. Oh, let's see. 125 starting to crack out again. Let's get off 123. Okay, here we go. Stock is really, really distraughting. Is that a word, distraughting? It's not. I just made it one. If we break the VWAP though, we should easily see 150, 150, 155. GNXP halted on the way up. That might kill Vive. GMPX up to $1.57 so far. Come on up. This needs to come back up above 125. Big seller at 128. Come on, get back above 125 here. Starting to look a little weak again. This needs to come up. This may crash out here. Vibe is. And I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out because we were coming down and start. Oh, yeah, this is going to dip pretty hard here. I'm going to go ahead and get out. So, $70 loss. Yep, could not hold up. Let's see what's going on with GMPX. That hurt. So, we're halted here. So the question will be if this can gap up above 165. See, when did this get halted at? Let's see. 9:17, so let's got about 2 more minutes on this halt. Still have a little bit to trade with if I can find something to try to maybe help with that loss on Vive. So what else is going on while we're waiting for that to unhalt? Invax, straight crash. TRC, nothing. CBIL, TRNX starting to come back up a little. NMVC. NMVC just went straight up today. It's halted on the way down right now, but from 3 something all the way up to 750. Very nice move on this play. Why did I not see that earlier? Let's see, Trove. Trove slowly climbing up. Let's see if his trend line ends up holding up on Trove. Oh, of course, popped right back up. Oh, God. Let's see where we go. GMPX, here we go. So, it came out of the halt. That was pretty quick. Came out of the halt. Went right through 165. Hmm. 165 is kind of acting like support. But getting in after a halt like that with no pullback is a little sketchy. And you see it starting to pull back there a little bit. Well, maybe not. It looks like it's gonna keep going here. A little pullback. It's starting to turn into There it goes. There's the pullback. It's kind of all over the place right now. Maybe a bit of a flag here starting to form. That's 3 upper shadows in a row. Damn, that candle opened up way up there. A lot of bit of support at 170. There it goes. What is GMPX going to do here? The fact it's not crashed out yet is kind of crazy. It's kind of flagging a little bit. $158, you think? If it could get back down that low, it's not really gotten back down that low in a minute. There it goes. Now it's starting to pull back some. That 160 area is holding up as some support. 158, 160, like One Life said. Trying to decide. One Life's in at 162. I'm trying to decide if I want to get in this or not. I think I could get 150 shares, maybe. But I'm going to wait and I want to see it come back down a little bit to that 160 area again. That was kind of a quick dip. Looking around real quick. Okay, looks like a lot of volume staying here. Getting a little curl here as well. Decent buy-in at 167. A lot of selling at 170. Knew that was going to happen. It's interesting where that candle. Interesting where that candle went. I think I'm actually going to go right here. Why did it say my order was accepted? Oh, okay, I see what it says. Okay, so I can't get 150. Little pullback here. So let me do some math. Let me think. Looked like that 170 was going to try to break. 67, 50. Starting to look a little heavy here. So where's Trove at real quick? Trove actually did bounce off that trend line. Not a lot of volume on it right now. See GMPX. I don't know. I don't know about GMPX. Keep thinking. I keep going back and forth with myself on this. If I want to get 100 shares or not, and see if this keeps going. I'm gonna go. I'm at 167 in, a little higher than I like, but I'm willing to give this about $8 to $9 of risk. If 160 doesn't hold up, then I'm getting out. But 160 is going to be my support. So I'm only going to risk about $8 on this. If this flag actually works out here. So let's see what happens. See, it needs to get over this little top flag line here, this little downtrend line at this point. If it can't get over that line soon, it's probably not going to break. was looking a little weak there, and then, well, it's kind of getting all over the place here. Getting a little wild. There we go. Bid's coming up here. Right at this stupid little... Oh, nope. Couldn't get over that line. You see that little downtrend line is putting in some work here. Really showing where the selling points are at. Oops. I kind of don't like how this flag is really pointing down right now. This flag needs to start coming up, or it's going to crack out. And it looks like a lot of red coming in here. It looks like it might crack out. And you see a bunch of buyers at 160, so a lot of support at 160. So 160 is definitely a strong support. But it is having some issues. Oh, and it's cracking. It's cracking out here. I'm going to go ahead and get out. Yeah, so that couldn't hold up either. So, back to the drawing board this week. What is going on? Having some stocks rip, some not rip. Why did this one rip? Let's see. I didn't see... Yeah, no wonder I didn't see this morning. There wasn't any press release on the NMVC. Huh. So this was basically a pump and dump. Because I don't see any reason for it to run. I don't see any press release on it at all. Let's see, in GMPX. GMPX, that's kind of a weird pattern GMPX did. Not really a lot of predictability in here besides maybe the bounce off the VWAP. Just looking around, trying to figure out kind of what is going on. See, AEMD, you actually got a decent move. 214 up to 290. That's interesting. NVAX never got going. NVAX did really, really great in pre-market from $6 up to $10, but then it just kind of died off there, kind of like Vive did. Vive had an initial little bounce off the VWAP. FCell was a nice play. What's going on with FCell? I've traded FCell, I think, a couple of times. I know I've traded at least once. Oh yeah, FCell, nice move from 250. Well, actually, yeah, let's see. So the low was 250 all the way up to 295. Nice little U shape. So, I don't know. It looks like I was just on the wrong stocks at the wrong time today, basically. Because there is some stocks moving with some good reasoning behind it. But yeah, just on the wrong stocks at the wrong time. Zoom. A quick pop up. See, Trove, that trend line's gone. So a little bit rough to start the week off. Alright, so you guys probably couldn't hear me, but I'm back down to 832. Lost about $84 today on the small account challenge. Just on the wrong stocks at the wrong times. But it is what it is. Vive's starting to come back up a little bit. Tomorrow we'll be back on the secondary account. How's everybody's 3-day weekend? Did everybody have a good 3-day weekend? I dropped my bottle, my bottle cap. What? What? I don't understand. What do you mean? I'm not a wizard? I don't know what you mean. I don't claim to be a wizard. Are we playing Dungeons and Dragons right now? What's going on? What are we talking about? I don't know why. I don't know what that's about. Daniel B is a pinball wizard? I don't know what is going on right now. You guys have me so confused. Talking about wizards and pinball wizards. Yeah, I literally have no idea what is going on right now. I can't see what will be next. What do you mean? Let me check some cannabis stocks while you guys are figuring out or explaining to me what is going on, because I have no idea. So Aurora looks alright. Damn, Planet 13 with a pretty big pullback. That's alright though. Oh, okay, I see what's happening. It's just coming back down to that trend line. Huh. What do you mean nice segue? What is going on right now? I might be slow this morning. Like, I don't know. I'm not getting anything you guys are saying. What segue did I do? I don't even know. Oh my god. You guys, I feel like you guys are messing with me. Like, I don't know what's going on right now. Maybe I shouldn't have traded at all today. Because apparently my brain is not working. I mean, obviously my brain is not working. Whoa. Look at the gap on Invax here. Let's see. That's got to get up to $17 before it could fill that gap. But man, that's a big gap. If somehow Invax can close over 860 today, I could see Invax going on a multi-day run. Oh, nice segue into the pot stocks. Yeah, talking about wizard. I don't know. The whole wizard thing just got me confused. I just decided to just look at something else for a minute. Vive on the 15 minute? What's the 15-minute look like? Little bounce. Possible U shape. Alright, guys. Well, I've got a lot to do the next couple of days to get ready for this trip. And I've only got, what's today? Tuesday, Wednesday. I got 3 days to do it. I got 3 days to do everything that I need to do. It did have a nice bottom. You're right about that. So, I am very busy this week. Going to be working on different things. But we will be back here tomorrow, and then yeah, Trove had a nice run, and that's what I was saying about Trove. AEMD actually on the 5 minute has a possible U shape as well. But yeah, I got a lot to do, so we'll be back here tomorrow morning. We'll be back here Thursday morning, back on the small account challenge. Try to get this account going. But yeah, any questions, comments, or concerns, we can go ahead and get those in. Trove still looking to go crazy. Keep an eye on AEMD too, because it does have room up to 341, and it is above both of these indicators. But we'll give the stream about a couple more minutes, like 2 more minutes. Am I going to get a tan? I mean, I don't know, maybe a little, because I plan on doing some hiking. I'm not going to do a lot of hiking, but I plan on doing some hiking. I'm not going to come back orange like, some people do. I won't say any specific names, but F-Cell you have on a nice trend line as well. F-Cell has just been climbing, man. You could have been trading F-Cell the whole past couple of weeks just about almost every day. But yeah, no, I don't I don't know if I'm going to get a tan. Indians? Daniel, are you on crack this morning? You're talking real crazy. You're talking about wizards and Indians. Talking crazier than I normally talk. GMPX is looking for a reversal. Yeah, it looks like it might bounce off the VWAP here. What a crazy day. All right, guys, we'll be back here tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow goes a little bit better than today went, but it is what it is. Yeah. GMPX is probably going to keep going today. Got a Santa Claus face. Yeah, Daniel's on one today. He's on something. What happened over the weekend? Did you go down to Illinois One Life and get Daniel B on some recreational things. You guys are on one today. You guys are talking crazier than I talk. Mushroom. All right. Well, that's an interesting emoji. Well, all right, guys. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Appreciate you guys joining me as always. And I'm out.